Ready to supercharge your online learning experience? Discover essential productivity hacks to ace your LSPM online courses and maximize your success. From minimizing distractions to prioritizing tasks, these hacks will help you stay focused, manage your time effectively, and achieve your learning goals. Don't let online learning overwhelm you. With these proven strategies, you'll unlock your full potential and excel in your LSPM online courses. Ready to elevate your online learning game? Put these productivity hacks into action and pave the way for success with LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.